Hey guys, welcome back to Quincy's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. You know I love you guys so much. You are so dear to me. You're like a family. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys a very easy mayonnaise hair mask. It's very good, and yeah, I'm sure most of us might be wondering how can mayonnaise be used for the hair. Oh yeah, if you don't know, it's very good for the hair. So if you really want to see how that's been done or how simple that looks like, keep watching.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a lone, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar. Simmer down and mess me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
Okay, let me talk to my people. So guys, let's talk. I don't know, sometimes I keep wondering what can I do that people will like or people will find it interesting or people will really benefit from. I don't know, sometimes I keep wondering like what should I do? Over the years of me being natural or me staying natural, there's so many things, so many conclusions I've done for my hair, so many techniques, so many routines. But the point now is the idea how to just come about it. Sometimes you really need to hear from your subscribers, you need to hear from your family. You guys should tell me, what you really want to see more on my channel on hair. Yeah, on hair. What is that thing that you really want me to try out? Or are there products also that you want me to try out? Please do let me know. Let me hear from you guys so that I will do that for you. I really want you guys to tell me if there are things you want me to do or there are products you want me to try on my hair, so that you see before you go and try it out. There's no problem. Just let me know. Or what are the natural hair related topics you would like to see on my channel. Please, please, family, let me know. Let's talk. Please comment down in the comment section below. Tell me what you think I should do, or tell me what you think I'm not doing right, or tell me what you think I should do better. Okay, I'm making this video, let you guys just tell me what you think I should do better. I know it's all about you not seeing what you are doing that's wrong, but other people can see it and tell you. I'm free, I'm open for critics. If there are things on this channel about hair that you think I'm not doing right, please let me know so that I can be better and bring out educational content for you guys. Because basically I'm doing this video because I want you guys to benefit from it. I want you guys to try the things I have tried that have worked for me. Sometimes not everything works for everyone, but if I try something and it works for me, of course, let's say there are going to be 70% of people out there that is also going to work on them. Basically that's what I'm doing. I've been natural for a long time now, but it's just recently that I started YouTube because I've been thinking, oh yeah, people have also been encouraging me. You need to share your tips with others. Now that I am here, I also like to hear from you guys. Just tell me if there are things you want me to talk about, or there are other things you want to see on natural hair. Please, please, I'm going to write them down, and each time I'm doing a video, I'll be conscious that okay, these are highly requested videos. Let me hear from you guys, fam. Please, 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 please. And I love you guys so much. This is the month of love. This is February. You guys should show me some love now. You guys should show me some love. As I said in my last video, I like to do a giveaway once we get monetized. Yeah, it's not like when I get monetized, because it's all of us included in this family. There is no Quincy's Naturals without you guys. So when we get monetized, I'd like to do a giveaway. So guys, please help me share this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to get notified. So guys, please, please, please comment down below. Let me know you were around. Just show me some love. Okay, let's say I actually begging for special love on this video, under this video. Okay, yeah, I need some special love. It's a month of February, so let's be a little bit extra. I'm just being extra now because I also want you guys to be extra. So guys, please show me some love in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think I can do better on my YouTube channel. Let me know what you want to see more on natural hair. What you want to see on natural hair. Let me know what products you want me to try out. Okay, guys, please, please, please. Okay, thank you for watching to this point. Basically, after applying this, it really lifts. You really see how moisturized your hair is. You see that? Oh my goodness. Avocado mayonnaise, yeah, avocado mayonnaise, eggs, that mixture is a bomb. You really need to try this at home. I always do this. I've always loved this. Even when I used to have my tiny Winnie afro, the very little hair I had in those days, I was always using this mask. I've always loved this mask. So try it at home and let me know. And please, 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 guys, click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching to this point. I love you all so much. Happy Valentine's Day in advance, and see you in my next video. Bye.